The Triple C leader, Nelson Chamisa, has been stopped and blocked from attending and paying his condolences to the Mabikwa family. This is after Chief Mabikwa, who was 28, who died in a car accident earlier this week. The young chief was in charge of the Lupane district in Matebeleland. He was involved in a car accident, and it only took 3 hours for the ambulance to reach, and he was pronounced dead on the scene. He was the chief where King Lobengula was killed. Nelson Chamisa proceeded to go to Binga, and this is what happened. Nelson Chamisa was greeted by a lovely crowd from Binga, where he was doing a thank you rally for the people of Binga who voted for Prince Dubeko. The Triple C leader wowed the crowds when he spoke to them in their local language, which is Tonga. And let's see how it all went down when he arrived.
Binga